Now we're going to do a test print with the machine. We open the software and open or print the file by PNG. You can see it's PNG. Now we can check before the print. That's the paper size, most around A3 size, and this output is mean the picture in the place of the paper. Then okay, we can derive. And here the important one, this size, it means the photo print size. Okay. And also remember the important one, the print, we need to do a mirror for the original photos. Okay, you can check. This is the original photo. Before we print, we need to do the mirror or image. Okay, so going to choose the printer. We can using the Epson, this model R290, and the printer use which one already installed with your computers. And here is the first one of the resolution of white and colors. This brush set. Okay. So coordinate the color. Yes, with white colors, the ink channel, and normally we setting around 18 to 19 for the ink limit to complete the different film. And the white colors we setting around 120. Okay. This important one, you can see normally we use the second one. And okay, here click OK, and here normally setting around 2 or 3. Now okay, we can click here, do a print, and also can be the fast print here, the same. And remember the copy with the white one, and click here, color and white same time print, and also click here for print color first. It means the white color will be in top. Okay, or will, and we can do a print. Then this software will show you a message. It means the paper size for the printer is different for our print. So ask you, do you want to print? Confirm yes. Then your computer will take a few seconds for respond to do a print. To do a print with the machine, before we need to turn on the ink system to make the white color ink running, and also this heater for dry, mostly she's setting around 10. Okay, and now before print we need to make sure that mostly this film have one side or both sides, but the important one or just have one side for print. So normally we can smooth by hands which is the print side. You also can check the side one with the coating that's be used for print. I mean the print one. Put in the paper and adjust 3 printer be ready and the print. Now the printer be printing now. So this print will depend on your setting with resolution and also with the quality. Normally one A3 full sheet will be take around 6 minutes for a quality print. So you can see. You can see the top color is the white colors. Okay, the wheel.